Now we are going to learn the first chapter, A Letter to God, in our English textbook, First Flight. Students, A Letter to God is a very simple story written by G.L. Fuentes. So, before going through the text, let me introduce the main characters of the lesson. In this lesson, A Letter to God, the main character is Lencho. 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 Lencho is the main character and he is a farmer. He is a normal farmer who just works for what he wants. He is a very hardworking man. Lencho was a simple person who just had a basic education. He knows how to read and write. And Lencho is a very religious person. He always believes that whatever happens in life is only because of the decision of the God. So, to this kind of religious person, what had happened? A letter to God. Who had written a letter to God? If you think Lencho had written, sir, why did he write a letter to God? What did he write? Did he get the answer from God? Let us know all the details by reading the text. So before you read this lesson, they say faith can move mountains. Exactly. Faith can move mountains. So friends, extreme faith in God may give you a ray of hope even in the darkest times. So faith can move mountains. But what should we put our faith in? This is the question this story delicately poses. Friends, Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 pesos. So does Lencho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? Think what your answers to these questions would be and guess how the story continues before you begin to read it. Just guess. Exactly, Lencho had written a letter to God. So, does God send him the money? Let's know.